Good morning, good morning. Howdy, howdy. I'm at the yard yesterday. Yesterday seemed like we got got some action on this farm equipment. Uh, Caver one, he looked up some stuff and got us all informed. That was super cool. But I rounded up a tape measure. Get my finger out of the way, and I think I came up with like 40 inches. Anyway, roughly 39 inches. I'm sure if they're inflated or whatever, but they're pretty wide tires. And check this out. Remember yesterday we had spiders? That ain't no snake, but that's a snake skin. He's up here shedding. I think somebody said these are Cummins motors. Man, when they paint them, I can't tell. I don't see no badges, and I don't really get to put my hands on diesel stuff as much as I'd like, and that way I could get familiar with it. But I can't. I guess they wouldn't be too tall. I don't know. I'm on the wrong side. And there ain't no bells and whistles in this thing. There ain't no radio, no air conditioning, no bells and whistles. Look at that seat. I was looking at it. It says it's made in New Jersey. Well, I got a subscriber that's in New Jersey. Oil filter wrench. I think Chop Shop Johnny's in New Jersey. I like this here, Cedar Rapids, Iowa, but then right here is the new leader spreader. Awesome. Then we got two of these I guess pesticide or fertilizer spreader deals. But Terra, I know y'all can't see too well. Terra Gator 1664. Look at this one over here. It one's got, you see that box on top? That's air conditioning. That's an air conditioning box up there. I don't know what the plans are. I'm sure they're gonna. Is that a turbo coming off right there? No, that's just an air pump. I mean, it's some kind of turbo, but it's not. That's just a pump. I'm sorry. Wonder how many grease fittings these things have. All right, man. Every morning, you need to grease right here. You need to grease right there. Pretty cool. Hey, look at check out the air horn up there. I wonder why you need a big old air horn out in the field. Maybe he's running birds off of his crops. Blow the horn and birds run off. Hell, that one's got. Well, let me get up under here. Pretty rough in here. Look at all the vacuum lines. It's got some kind of electronics though. I mean, there's your AC. Uh-oh, we got radio action. Switches and levers, but anyway, I gotta get to work. I know some of you guys like checking this stuff out yesterday. you know, unusual stuff or stuff we don't get to put our hands on every day. Pretty sure that's a stainless tank, man. That thing would be worth some money. Yeah, that's stainless. Wow. Yeah, them tanks are worth money. I mean, even if you just scrap them, but yeah, a whole lot of stainless right there. All right, guys, I got to go to work. Everybody's starting to pull chains and getting going. All right, thank you.